Ew. It is an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. You know, it reminds me. My friends told me they went down to the beach to this fancy, smanchy gathering. They had one of them naked girls. Well, she wasn't completely naked. She was wearing, what's it say here? Itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. And they had like burgers on her. And they were picking it off of her flesh. That's how they ate. That's how the rich live. So today, we're having, and let me get this right, Itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot zucchini burger. Zucchini? I thought it was bikini. They better not disappoint.
So the first step is you bring out all your spices. You lay them out nice and neat in front of you. Then you take the ones you need. Then after you're done with that, you put all the rest of the spices away. I know this step might seem a little unnecessary, but trust me, it'll pay off in the long run.
Like I mentioned, I'm sorely disappointed because we're not going to be eating zucchinis off of scantily clad woman. We're going to make yellow polka dotted zucchini burgers off of, let's see what it says in the bobbly. Season 3, Episode 3, Bob fires the kids.
What?
Didn't think you could do it. I'm learning. So, what we're gonna eat is some sweet potato fries, 1 pound of ground beef, and we got the fucking meat, motherfuckers. Use a kitty, slice it to rounds. I'll be coming in a little bit. So you'll be coming in a bit. Olive oil. 1 yellow bell pepper, but we're making for a lot of people. So we got 2. Bam. Fresh dill. Come on, guys. Deliver the goods.
Delivered.
Plain yogurt.
As plain as we can get it, you know?
Notice how the whitest one of us got the plain yogurt. And then slider buns. This is for fucking sliders. Thus says the good bobbly slider buns.
As it shall be.
First up is cutting the zucchinis into rounds. Whether experienced or novice, we provide you with both examples for your entertainment pleasures. But don't forget that the goal should always be to have fun while creating a delicious feast. Next up is chopping the pepper. Now, the skill gap between these two boys is much bigger and apparent than in the previous clip. So be sure to be in awe of Jim Jam's skill and follow his example on the left. One can also be in awe of the complete incompetence of the boy on the right. He might have heard worse than you, but yeah, he's got nothing, especially on Jim Jam. Here's the deal. We could have bought chopped dill, then we miss out on the hands-on approach and the even sweeter reward of having a dish prepared by us. Give it another pass or two to make it extra fine and sweet. Oh yeah. Go for your good and mix in the pepper and the dill. Here at Nacho Mamas, we like to be thorough, so we're adding the pepper and the dill one at a time. Might be a bit OCD, but it makes for a thorough and even mix. Thank you, Eric. Now here's that very important cooking tool that you simply can't do without when dealing with the boys. Get that pan oiled up and hot enough, medium heat will do, to lightly brown the zucchini wraps. But be careful, as our boys learned on this venture.
I don't joke with the zucchini now. Hey, these zucchinis are almost as burnt as me.
So, you know the drill. Let us take the time to worship the almighty beef. Oh yeah.
So we got our ingredients set. We got our lightly browned zucchini, like me. Yogurt mix, creamy, not like me.
Or lightly toasted buns.
Like me. I mean, like us.
And the cooked, well done meat mixed with pepper and salt. Hell yeah.
Like us.
Oh.
Although I would like to say that I'm not lightly toasted. I would say I'm pretty heavily toasted.
Like us.
So the first thing we're gonna do to build our burgers is start with the bottom buns.
Start.
And then we're gonna add our beef patties.
Okay, here we go. Hands of the chefs are washed.
Then we add our zucchini. About 2 slices per sandwich.
You didn't see that.
Or yogurt sauce. And we top it with our buns.
Beautiful.
Top.
Beautiful.
But, of course, the recipe calls for it to be put on a bed of sweet potato fries.
Yeah, the sweet potato fries.
So we're gonna throw these in here. In all their glory. There we go.
Now we gotta say that we didn't fry these fries. We baked them as per the bag's instruction. Like us. Yeah, look at that.
Deliciousness incarnate. Look at this everywhere. Look at that. Savory goodness all over the place. It's okay to be a little jealous. I would be if I were you.
Deliciousness incarnate. Yeah, they haven't called me that since high school.
So, you know, it wasn't what I was expecting,
These are fucking great.
and I was kind of disappointed. But I can see why someone would eat that off of the body of a naked woman. Yeah, makes sense.